At KidMin Pathway, we have a year-long course for people who are involved in teaching, preaching, or leadership for children's ministry. Every single month, there is one topic that we dive deep into, whether it is recruiting or classroom management or budgeting, special events, outreach, engaging young families in ministry, problem solving, communication. My goodness, the things that we deal with in kids ministry are vast. And it's not just children. When you're a children's minister or a teacher, you minister to people of all ages. And so we have a program for you where every month when we handle that topic, we go deep into that topic. We have a large group session where we meet with a bunch of children's leaders and we all talk about that, and then we have a speaker who pours into us ideas for that topic. Then there's homework for you, very specifically, what does your area look like as it pertains to that topic? And then there's 2 mentor conversations each month with you and your mentor. One at the very beginning, where are you at? How does this look? How are you handling this topic? And then one at the end. What have you implemented? How are you growing? And what are you going to do with the information you have? So information and accountability, all very needed in children's ministry. The year-long course is what you're looking for if you want to have a KidMin pathway, your pathway to excellence in kids ministry.